Here is a 3D scan of the interior firewall of the AE86. Now, from this bolt here on the left to the bolt all the way on the right here measures 30 inches or 2 feet 6 inches. These bolts are where the original A86 AC heater, uh, blower motor components were all located, right? And so we know that we do have room behind the center here. This whole center area here is where the uh, original display console was. So we have room behind here to mount pretty much a vintage air product. Now we are going to try to add electric AC here. There are a few different products that Vintage Air provides. Now I'm trying to decide which one to pick. I'm hoping to get some help from Vintage Air. Hopefully they give me some ideas. Now let's go ahead and take a look at some of these other products that they have, starting from the most expensive and the newest one they have is called the Gen 5 Magnum Max Evaporator Kit. This goes for 1100, and let's take a look at what they provide here, right? So you can see they have the main component here. Let's take a look at the dimensions. We have about 25 inches right here. So that pretty much is just about 5 inches shorter than the original components. But this is all in one now, right? Now that would fit. That would fit. The thing I like about this, I think, is they're using a fully electronic microprocessor control system. So eliminates cables or vacuum connections, and I really like that. I kind of wish that they provided a little bit more pictures and videos or something, because they only literally provide these three pictures. Maybe like a 3D model or something like that would be nice, kind of walk through. Now let's see what other products they have. Of course, we're not gonna be using the stock A86 AC control unit because it's using levers and analog. I think this is digital, so we're gonna be converting to this instead. And hopefully, probably just have to 3D print a bracket for this in place of the original A86 control unit. So let's take a look at what that actually looks like. A86 AC console. So here's the original. This is what it looks like. So hopefully we can find a replacement for this, and find something similar that Vintage Air would provide. Okay, let's take a look at some of their other products. They have a Gen 2 Mini Heat Cool Air Defrost. This looks like something that I would need. Now let's take a look. This is a lot smaller, 19 inches wide and then 9 inches tall. This would also work. I really don't know what the difference between this one and the other one is, but it doesn't really say too much. But let's go ahead and take a look. They also have this slim line heat cooled defrost on their dash with black louvers. This has those built into here. I don't know if this is the same stuff, but it looks like it is. I could use something like this as well. What do you guys think? Kind of leaning on just getting the newer stuff. But like I said, I really don't have much pictures to go off of this, so hopefully Vintage Share could give me some suggestions on what I can do. Let's go ahead and take a look at some of the video that I have taken for this car. Okay, let's see if I have any engine bay videos. So yeah, I'm thinking about adding the AC condenser in the original spot where it was here, and then make a custom bracket for the evap canister, and then routing the hoses from there through that hole right here you see to the left, which is gonna go basically into the engine bay here and route down here to the back of the firewall. I I really want to keep a clean engine bay, so I don't know if I want to do it like this. If someone has any other suggestions, please let me know. Yeah, I think that's pretty much all I want to talk about. This is this is the condenser fan and the electric AC compressor that I have. It comes with the bracket. I'm not too sure where I should mount this bracket. I'm thinking about maybe mounting this compressor into the trunk of the A86 somewhere. And yeah, if you guys have any suggestions on how I should do this, please let me know. All right, thanks.